Greetings from the CubiCasa universe. First of all, thank you for all the feedback. It really helps us to make our products better, more useful, and more versatile. Today, I'm extremely delighted to release CubiCasa 3.0 for all our users with exciting new features and capabilities. In this release, we're growing beyond just floor plans to introduce new imagery and data products and new product packages that include more value, same price as before. All of this with the same 5-minute scan you already know and love. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
CubiCasa 3.0 introduces new product packages with new features. Let's take a closer look at the new features: Home Report and Snapshots. The Home Report lists all rooms per floor and includes room measurements and the area of each room. It also features a property summary that highlights the most important spaces and amenities of the property. You can use this handy printout for open houses or include it as part of your listing. Snapshots features allows you to take photos while you are scanning and save them to your camera roll after the scan. With the Plus package, you also get a PDF report that shows each photo and its location in relation to the floor plan. With Snapshots, you do not need to walk through the property twice. Just snap the photos, and your inspection or appraisal photos are done. For photographers and agents, Snapshots Report is a new way to document property features that you do not want to put into your listing, but want the potential buyers to know about. These features are included in 3 new packages called LITE, Plus, and Plus 3D. The LITE is free and includes a black and white floor plan without fixed furniture and a standard CubiCasa disclaimer. The Plus is priced at $15 and includes fixed furniture and new features like Home Report and Snapshots. You can customize the floor plan by changing the colors, adding your logo, or customizing the disclaimer. The Plus 3D has the same features as Plus, but it also includes a 3D floor plan with loose furniture and reality-matching materials. Thank you to all our current customers who have joined us on this exciting journey. If you're not yet part of our community, we invite you to sign up today and discover the difference our technology can make in your business.
And that's the CubiCasa 3.0 release. In addition, we've made improvements to the user interfaces in the web and mobile apps. Just update your app and you'll have access to the new packages and features. And as always, happy scanning.